Hello guys, welcome to the next video guys. So as I told you in previous video that I'm going to implement this concepts concept of function in this video using Jupyter notebook and Python language. So let's get going to the our topic guys. So you are seeing now Jupyter notebook. So let me type what function we are going to implement guys. So I think you know that this we can use this Jupyter as a notebook guide. So I can type this headings, and I can write explanation of certain concept in Jupyter notebook also along with the code. So today we are going about functions and graphing functions. Okay, so today's tutorial is about this. What I'm writing, graphing. Actually the spelling I guess this. Okay. So graphing functions. Okay. Dot. So this will be our title. So the next step we are going to do that we are going to importing the packages guys. So let's do that. So we will need this we will need numpy package because and it is a very famous package guys, because this will provide this numpy arrays which are going to be used every time when you deal with any machine learning or data science application. So it is very important library guys. Also I am going to import matplotlib guys. Import matplotlib because we are going to plot functions guys. Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and for executing this statements I'm going to hit shift plus enter. So you can see that I have executed this. So let's graph some functions. So let me go to the cell and let's convert it to the markdown guys. Okay, so the function we are going to graph today is okay, 1 minute. We can use this latex notation guys. So let's do that. Okay, so I will just put this and I will put this. Okay, dollar and function will be f of x. Okay, will be x square, which will be x uh, square. Okay, x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, 1. And I also want this function to be centered guys, so I'm also appending this dollar. Okay, this is latex notation and it comes very handy. So let's hit shift plus enter. So you can see that the function I'm going to implement this f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. So I'll write the definition. So if you are completely new to the Python, so this is called function definition guys. Okay, I'm going to label this function as f, and the definition will be return x square, which is this. Okay, this is power symbol guys. Okay, 2 into x. Okay, so I will use this multiplication symbol, 2x plus 1. Okay, and now I will again press shift plus enter guys. So this function is now defined. So let's test our function on some inputs. Let's take the f of 0 guys. So f of 0 is 1. How? Because 0 square is 0, 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1. That is, this function is correct, working, sorry. So putting 7, it outputs 64. Okay, so this function is ready. Now let's plot this function guys using this matplotlib library. So I will just plt.figure. So this will I will dictate some figure size. Okay, fig size, let me dictate 10 into 6, maybe that will be valid. Okay, we are going to also before that we must for plotting the values we must come up with some values to plot guys. So for that we are going to use this numpy arrays. So before plotting we have to come up with values for doing that. So let me insert cell above guys. Okay, insert cell above, and let me come up with the values guys. So I'm going to put x underscore 1 will be np dot linspace these are numpy function. So start will be, I guess, -3. Okay, end will be stop will be actually 3. Okay, and let's say uh, number, that means how many values you want. So I want 500 values, guys. So let me check with this reference, guys, whether I'm putting right values. Yes, I'm putting right values, guys. So what this function will do, it will give me 500 values which are equally spaced within -3 to 3. So let me first show you output and then you will understand what I have done. So you can see that this 500 values I got. Okay, you can see this, there are this 500 values between -3 and 3 and -3 and 3 including, guys. So the distance between this you can find same. Okay, you can just find this same, they are equally spaced. So -3 -2.98, you can see that this is something like zero point 0.1 type difference. Okay, this is 97, this is 96, this is 95. Okay, this is 93. Okay, something like 0.15 difference, guys. So it will give you this values, guys, which are equally spaced. So the difference between this -3 and this value is same as the difference between this value, this value minus this value. So you must know that thing. Okay, so let me erase that, it is taking too much space. Okay, so now we are going to plotting this this function, guys. So let me put this markdown again, because I want to write something. Okay, so let's plot the function, guys. Let's plot the function. Yep, let's plot the function. So you can see that title has appeared. So let's go with our flow, plt.figure, and I want to put fix size. Fix size. So fix size is a parameter, guys. Okay, 10 into yeah, this will be the fix size, guys. We will have this x label, guys. I think you are aware of this concept because I taught this concepts in my previous videos, guys. So I will just put x, and I will put the font size 16, so you can view this thing clearly. So these are kind of decoration, guys. So but you must do this because you also want to present your analysis to your boss. Okay, and he want some good analysis, good diagrams, guys. So this is very essential. So I'm going to put f of x, guys, because and also I'm going to put font size, same argument, 16, guys. Okay, so let's give this title. Okay, let's give to the title of this title will be x versus f of x. Okay, we are plotting, okay, f of x, we are plotting function here, guys. Okay, this must be in this string. Okay, and also I want to now let's plt dot plot. So this is the function, guys. Let me check in my reference. Yes, this is a function x underscore 1, which are this 500 values, and its output. So because of this numpy array, you can just put this f x underscore 1 into the function, guys. So if you have tried with some Python list, it won't happen. Okay, for this numpy you should know numpy array. So this matplotlib, pandas, and this numpy, they are actually dependent on each other. So pandas is dependent on numpy, matplotlib also dependent on the numpy. So numpy is very essential package for the data science, guys. So let's take a view at our plot, guys. Let's take a view. So you can see that this guy has graphed the function, guys. So this is graphing the function. So I'm ending this tutorial with just graphing the function. In the next video I will also plot its derivative, guys, and also talk about derivatives, in, and also I will put tangents to these plots, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and this is it for today, guys.